All right. Oh, and
Stop playing with him.
Jdavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Jdavinci. You guys, I'm here with this, I'd say it's a flawless install. I don't have any baby hairs. I decided to bring this wig back out. If you guys didn't watch the video of me doing a review coloring this hair, kind of like putting the wig together, I'm gonna link it in the description and in a card, so be sure to check it out. This hair was from Amazon. I got a frontal. Well, a frontal, it kind of looked like, I keep calling it a uterus because that's what it looked like. I got a frontal in 3 bundles. It was blonde and I finally installed it. I'm in love. I really wanted to turn this hair green, but I'm actually feeling this blue. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig, it was super easy, very beginner friendly. Keep watching. Let's put it on. I just freshly cut my hair. Let me see. This wig is a bit small. Slow key do like a half up. All right, we're gonna do it super easy. We're gonna just go in with our spray. Let's just go straight in. So yeah, I'm literally just spraying on the hairline, right? Are you guys watching YouTube right now? Because I keep looking for new people to watch and ain't nobody creating content. And it's like, what are you doing? We need something to watch. Okay, so right now, I think I might make a mistake. But y'all, it's okay. It's been a whole minute. All right, let me go I'm gonna go put in my blow dryer. To spray again or to not, but this shit, that is on there. All right, let's spray again.
So over here, I kind of gotta be careful.
Let me go get my scarf. I'm gonna get a scarf because once I cut this off, I'm gonna need to relay the edges and kind of like make sure it's melted into the skin before I do anything. But it's looking like if we cut this lace off and we really cut it close and it nice, we might be able to get away with no baby hairs and kind of like, you know, blue hedges. But I'm gonna go get my scarf just so I'm prepared. Okay, so BRB. So I just sent my husband on a mission to get my little headbands out the car. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna like cut. I'm trying to do it in a way where you guys can see and I can see. Okay. It's just been. All right, so let me show you guys what we're gonna do, because this is too much lace on our face. We absolutely cannot walk around with all this lace. Some girls do it and I don't know how, because when I watch them on the TV, I'm like, girl, they're like, oh my gosh, it's blended. And I'm like, maybe you didn't watch yourself on the damn TV, because what it's not is blended. So we're not gonna be able to get it any closer. So what we're gonna do, take our spray, and just bring that lace down. See, we're gonna spray and spray that lace down. All right, now what we're trying to do is kind of camouflage this lace, and I can see it, so I know you can see it. I know people be like, girl, that lace is melted. The longer you have this on your face, honestly, the better. But if you didn't have something like this, going with a silk scarf. Silk would be better. All right, so I'm gonna be back, about to do a slight beat, and I'll be back to show you guys how we might style the hair. All right, so I'm here with my whole family. Quarantine in the beauty room, clearly. Did my makeup. I did the bottom of my face. I haven't done my forehead yet, to show you guys how to further, hopefully, blend. So you're gonna have to be real careful with this. So I'm gonna just kind of take my powder my face And if it gets on the hairline, perfect. Edges are going to be optional, but right now we don't have a forehead. For all the girls, I'm gonna leave the Amazon link to the hair in the description. It might not be the blonde one, it might be the black one, sorry. Purchase it anyways. But yeah, no, seriously, this hair is bomb. So for, what did I get it for? Like $80 with a little half of frontal. The frontal looks like a little uterus, but the sides, it's not like a closure. It's a little frontal, but it's real small. You're gonna have to check out my previous video. But yeah, I got this hair over a year ago. Dyed it back then. I like it. It just got a bit of flyaways we should tame. But yeah, y'all, I dig it. Hi guys, we're at Daddy. Oh, fuck you. I'm just okay. I was really thinking about just kind of taking this off after this, but we're about to wear this. We're gonna wear this for the rest of the week. You guys, look, we don't have no baby hairs, and I am just acting like this hair has grown out my scalp. And if you wanted to vibrance the part, you could go in with a concealer, but I don't want to do that because I'm really digging it. We could, you know, do a lazy day up, down. All right. Ah, this is cute. Hi, family. Husband, how do you like my hair?
That's cute.
I don't like that. How do you like my hair?
It's cute, baby.
It's sexy. It's the word I was looking for.
You look sexy.
You guys say hi to my baby. My babies. Say hi. We're quarantining.
What's up, y'all?
How do you like me quarantining looking sexy every day?
Fire, you about to make me get dressed?
Now you look cute. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, time to take pics for Instagram. This is cute. No forehead. This is cute. Okay. This is cute. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick install. It's been forever since I've actually glued a wig down. I literally just used the Got2b glue and a blow dryer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, because we're here giving you guys content. So yeah, catch you guys in my next upload. Bye. Let me go. Bye.
Another motherfucking bitch try me. They gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.